Hello, everybody. This is Noah from Noah Industries. I'm going to teach you guys today about our Lab 2 topic, which is Git/GitHub. Essentially, what GitHub/Git is, it's an open source platform found at github.com that allows developers and other students and tech employees or learners. It allows them to share code and share projects amongst each other across the world. And it also allows that code the ability to be edited by authorized users from around the world. So GitHub is a super, super important developer tool and website across the developing community because back in the day, during the dial-up era and the AOL era, developers were having to send individual emails of parts and sections of code that needed to be added. And it would have to go back and forth, a very obviously time-wasting and strenuous process. So what GitHub is now doing is sort of making that process much more streamlined and saving developers a huge headache as time goes on. So for this project and this little mini assignment for Lab 2, we were instructed to add a definition to a selected word from a little glossary made by administrator BTO Pro. So this sort of glossary, let me go to it. So this glossary right here, definitions of all different types of developer tools and phrases that are currently being used in the developer space. So right here, we've got SEO. We've got SEO, search engine optimization. This is a tool, the sort of science behind the way Google ranks its web pages and websites, why companies pour so much money into learning how to properly tag their page in order to drive clicks and press and exposure. But in order to add these definitions, like front-end developer and HTML, you can't just type them into the markdown and think they're going to work or think they're going to be accepted. And so what you have to do is you have to get the markdown, hit the pencil. This is the code right here that just appears on the screen. You actually have to go down to our word, SEO. And here's where I implemented all the information from the project and then I did all my research. I put it into the code, but it just doesn't pop up that way. You've got to propose your change. So we would do SEO definition inputted. If we had to propose something, we'd hit it. That's how you'd get it in front of your administrator's eyes or the project owner. And then you take yourself to pull requests. And what pull requests are ways to notify and ways to propose and request that the code that you've just implemented into the markdown is accepted and it gets it in front of the owner's eyes. So my code has been closed, but my pull request has been closed, excuse me. But here it is, typed it in, and look, said my definition was updated, and my administrator, BTO Pro, closed it, and now it's a part of the code. So as you can see, GitHub is a great way to sort of it's a great way to sort of take code and share code and get eyes behind it and have it edited. And it's just an incredible developer tool that really has allowed developers to sort of enhance the way they code and become overall better developers, more experienced developers, less worked developers, less stress, more specific and efficient time usage. So yeah, GitHub is an amazing tool. I had a great time learning about it in Lab 2. This has been Noah Industries. Thank you for listening.